All right, now time for meat the sandwich. Heck yeah, dude. What the heck?
Yeah, there he is.
You, stop right where you are. That is
Try some more.
He's getting away. Do not let him get to the rip.
Don't do it, pal.
Do not do it.
Oh, there's cheese on that. I can't eat that, man. Lactose.
Oh god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Heavy lactose. Holy freak.
He punched out all of my blood.
He punched out all of my blood.
Spine. You red team ladies wouldn't know how to break a spine. My spine.
Oh, it shows you how to make it too. Bread, meat, cheese, vegetable group, bread. And then of course, the complimentary olive on the top. Oh, it's the same guy from Meet the Heavy. Of course it's the Heavy, right? All right, guys, and that's it. That's the last Meet the video. Great little session there, man. Thank you to Sketching Games for giving us that recommendation. Heck yeah, man. Can't take this seriously. The sandwich one, understandable.